right, so we're going to be modeling some y is equal to mx plus b. And you've actually done this before. So it's just a lot of refreshers. So basically what you're going to be doing in this example is you're going to be writing the equation from a table. So here's your table. So do that. You need your m and you need your b. So your m is your slope, which is the change of which is the change of y over change of x. So this is your x, so this is your y. So the y is changing by -2 every time, and the x is going up +1. So your slope will be -2 over 1, which is just -2. And your y-intercept is when x is 0. So actually it already shows you here that when x is 0, your y is 82. So your equation will be y is equal to -2x plus 82. Okay, so now you try one. And you don't need to graph it. I just need you to find the equation. So this is your x, and this is your y. So the changes between this y will be 75,000. And then the changes between the x is 5. So you have 75,000 over 5. And you divide that, and you get 15,000, which is your m, your slope. So now we need to find our y-intercept, our b. So every time x goes up 5, y goes up 75,000. So we're going to have to subtract 5 to go down to 0. That means you subtract 75,000, and you actually go down to 0 as well. So it means my y-intercept is 0. So there's no y-intercept. So the equation will be A. All right. Same idea, writing an equation from a table. So it says we have this table right here, and it tells us this is your x and y. So we need to find our slope. So we need to find the change of x, change of y, or change of x. So it's adding 6, and this is adding 100. So that'd be 6 over 100, which is 0.06. And then we define our y-intercept. So our y-intercept is when x is 0. So every time x goes up 100, y goes up 6. So it means if I go down 100 to 0, that means I have to go down 6. So 14 minus 6 will be 8. So it means my y-intercept is 8. So my equation will be 0.06x plus 8. Okay, let's try that again. So now you try one. This is your x and this is your y. So y is going up 150. And then x is going up 2. So your slope will be 150 over 2, which is 75. So it means automatically C and D are wrong. So now to find our y-intercept, every time x goes up 2, y goes up 150. So that means if I go down 4, I go down double 150, which is 300. So I go down 300, which is 250. So my y-intercept will be 250. So it'll be B. And that's what we're doing. So your homework will be on the quizzes. If you need any help, let me know.